This Japanese breakfast drink changed my life. I was skeptical about it working at first, but thank God I tried. It got to the point where I knew I had to do something about it fast, you know. My weight was getting out of control and I couldn't even walk up the stairs without getting out of breath. I was pretty worried about my heart and blood sugar levels, and my doctor gave me enough warnings. When I started taking this new tonic formula in the mornings, I noticed the changes were happening after only 3 days. My junk food cravings just disappeared like that. I felt like I had lots of new energy, and the weight started dropping off real fast. The change in my quality of life has been phenomenal. I feel like I did when I was younger. I definitely recommend it if you want to make a change in your life for the better. John from New Jersey. Thanks for watching video. Click the link in video description to know more Okinawa flat belly tonic supplement.